Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Jorian? How you doing? See what today brings. Hopefully, it's not slow or not as slow. Are you watching the Battlefield 6 streams for drops? Oh, snap. Joanne with the Prime sub. Thank you. Thank you. Biatch. It always catches me off guard when somebody subs because my lights change color and I'm caught off board and I'm like, what the hell was that? You played a game of Battlefield 6? Did you have to buy the game in order to play the beta, don't you? That's stupid. Cuz I checked my EA account. Yeah, I don't have it. I've gotten the code. I've redeemed it. I've gotten two codes now. Oh, is this it? Got to download it. Okay, I'll do that later. That makes sense. I was confused. I was like, they're gonna give you a code, but then you have to buy the shit. Plays well. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I mean, it looks alright on the streams, but I definitely want to play it before I make a decision on whether to get the game or not. Oh, you don't have a shitty rig. Get out of here. What GPU are you running? Don't you have a 30 series? I thought you had a 30 series. Yeah, we're up $1,494.65. Oh, 2070 Super. Gotcha. For some reason, I thought you had a 30 series. Yeah, 3070 will be nice. This is a small pullback right here. I'll look to get in. I want to see it retest the $10 level though and see it hold. It's at 970. They're around 240 euros, huh? So what's that in US dollars? Like 250? Yeah. $270. That's really not bad. What does she have? 1080. Wow. She doesn't play like really graphic intensive games though, does she? Yeah, that is cheap. True. True. Get her a nicer card for sure. It's just hovering around this 990 level. I need it to break 10 and hold before I get in. Need to build her a whole new computer. Let's see what IMG is doing. She needs a nicer computer than you. Good morning, Ed. How are we? We doing good? Good, man. Good. IMG's just kind of going sideways. It's got a little bit of a curl to it, but it's a penny stock. It's only at 41 cents. CMCT is still the one that I'm watching or wanting. So the left screen is my trading platform, my charting software, so I can see what the market's doing. The right is a scanner that tells me what stocks are moving and at what price and how much volume, how many trades per minute, what the float is, like how big their market cap is. Basically just shows me what stocks are getting the most attention. I think I'm going to take IMG off for now. Just stick with watching CMCT for right now. I got Agri on my watch list, AGRI, but it's not getting much attention right now. It looks like all gibberish to you. Yeah. It takes some time to learn. Six minutes until the 8 o'clock hour. Maybe we'll get some news and some runners. See if this is going to come back and retest that $10 level. Yeah, long on CMCT. We'll start out with 50. We'll see if it drops back down to pick me up on the way. Nice, nice. This is the only one that's getting attention. Yeah, I want to see at least 11. I'm hoping that it spikes up, takes out this $10 level, and just goes straight to 11. Looking for $1. We got in at 969. Set our stop loss at 769, risking $100. Put our take profit up to 11. You got in at the same price? Nice. Yeah, I might move my stop loss up a little bit. It's a lot of room to breathe. DXR popping up on the scanner. It's getting a little bit of attention, taking over CMCT. YHC popping up. CMCT is not getting any attention now. I'm going to exit.
Good day.
Good day.
$4 billion. Same store sales up 13% for Ralph Lauren. Trading anything nice?
I took a trade on CMCT, but it's not.
Is it quiet again on the market?
Yeah, it's slow.
Looking at the LPSN, break this 106 where it has consolidated for a while. I could see only about 10 cents down on this.
Yeah, I lost 13.50.
5 cent loss. So
$13.50.
but maybe not.
What ticker?
Break again.
Hey, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good day.
Good day, good day. How we doing? How's the markets treating you?
Good. It's slow.
Yeah, definitely slow.
Yeah, no trades here.
I got one that fits my criteria. I'm currently in CMCT off this bounce.
Yeah, I just got out of CMCT.
Oh, okay, nice. You took profits?
No, I took a loss.
Took a loss? Okay, okay. What's
Oh,
You went long, right?
Yeah,
Where'd you go long at? And what time?
969 at uh 751, 754.
Oh, nearly the top. Yeah, you were.
Oh, yeah, okay. Gotcha. Now with this entry, were you anticipating a breakout or a continuance, or what was the reasoning?
I was looking for it to go back and retest 10,
Okay, gotcha,
but it didn't.
Did
It
you
failed instead.
gotcha? Now, did you take any longs on this consolidation,
No,
or
I didn't see that. I wasn't trading when it was doing that.
okay, gotcha.
Watching YHC now.
Oh, that's a crack. YHC, yeah, 35%.
Yeah, only a little,
Do you have any
not much.
predictions on that? I haven't looked at it.
It's signals potential strategic shift toward digital assets with support from a significant crypto investor.
Oh, okay. Sounds
Oh,
like fluff news.
yeah.
I wonder. I wonder if this thing will die all the way back to seven.
Good.
Um, well, I'm wondering because we do have uh we do have resistance. I mean, this is call that a damn near a triple top at 1028 here. So I'm wondering if that's enough to say it's time to die. Let's see what these demand zones do. I have my take profit here at 8.
Yeah, daily 50s at 8.
Yeah, yeah, because I mean this is the only area for it to kind of consolidate if it wants to retest. If these demand zones don't work out, which it looks like they're not really working out right now. So, and I don't want to sit in this consolidation, but let's see how the
This could
flush.
be the.
I got nothing but reds. After this trade, you guys, I'm actually gonna go over. So I got some news back from support, and I want to show you the chart that we all traded on. I think we all profited from it. I think I remember you saying, Eddie, that you went long on it and pre-market, and then we shorted it um, at the open.
Hmm.
But I want to show you this 8% rule that it was like it was an invalid trade, and I was like, dude, like that's crazy how they percentage this. Matter of fact, let me see if I can. Mm, I should be good for
Did
now.
you short it in the pre-market?
No, this was right at open. So let me see. put it first? In my, I think it should be in my downloads. Downloads. Is this it? Yeah. Okay. This is it. Okay. So let me now try to put this in the chart here. All right. Upload. Downloads. Here we go. Okay. So I put it in the chat. Now, if you go back, I think this was if you go to the chart and go back to the 24th, either the 24th or the 29th, I'll find it for you. LIDR.
I don't I remember that.
Oh no, we all traded it because it was up. I think I made like 2 grand off of this. It was the one was 13. This move that he invalidated, that was a $1,300 matter of fact, no, I think the other one looked on it. No, it was 3,000 that day because I took two of these. Um, because I took, or did I hold this? I don't know. I looked, but I think yeah, it was a good day on that one because we were all talking about it. Um, okay, so it was on the 24th. Let me just yeah, okay, I'm good. Yeah, so this was on the 24th where uh we took matter of fact, no, I took a loss. I took a loss in the first one. You guys had went long on this nice little uptrend here, right?
Mhm.
And then right at the open, because I took my first initial at 404, and I thought this was gonna be a downtrend, and I got squeezed. So after that squeeze, I got back in on the initial, right? So if you look at the chart on LIDR, he stated that it violates the 8% rule because where it entered was on this lower low. It created a low, it bounced back, consolidated, and then it broke that low, right? So I entered on that bigger candle at the bottom there that he has that line to. He's stating that it moved 8%. Now I thought that with the 8% rule, it had to be within the candles of like a one candle, not these miniature ones. But if you was to calculate, they all add up. Like this first one here, with that green candle, right? That first
Yeah.
one is 1%. This one is three. That's four. And then this one's two. That's five, six. This one's one. That's seven. And then this one is eight. So it breaks the 8%. I didn't know that.
I don't.
I thought
I think they just calculate the 8% rule however they can to invalidate a trade. But that's just
so
me.
because I'm like, dude, I thought you guys meant if a stock moves like within like these big candles, like okay, you can't enter. But what's wrong with these little small candles? And then he was stating, well, it's in the same direction. That's the reason why. If there was a green candle that went up and then down, then it would have validated the trade. I'm like, that's crazy. I never sat there and knew that.
Yeah, I think they
But
just
because
interpret it however they want to interpret it.
yeah, so just because it was all going in the same way, that's more than 8% going the same way.
Yeah, in the same direction of the move or whatever.
Yeah, so I'm like, wow, that's crazy.
They just love jerking you around, don't they?
Dude, I was like, man, that's kind of nuts. But um yeah, it kind of hurts because I'm just like, dude, like that lower low, I don't even use an actual limit. I use stop limits. So once it hits, it hits. That's it. You know, if I'm
Right.
in, I'm in. Am I, you know, if I'm out, I'm out. So it kind of hurts to sit there and do that. But I mean, I can't be like on the scarce of, oh, hey, that's 8%. I gotta go ahead and exit because I'm already doing that when I see a flush happening. So yeah, that's that. But I just wanted to show you guys, and this is going long too. So if you have like four miniature candles, and then
Yeah,
you have one big candle going up, if that's more than 8% going one way, trade's invalid. You got to get in. You got to get in before that move. Um, that before it moves 8%, not after. Crazy.
it's ridiculous.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys and let you guys know. But on the contrary, on this, I did get approval of my payout. So finally,
Nice.
so now with that, all that money is out of my hub, and now I can go ahead and trade um my regular account.
Oh, nice. So you're not paper trading anymore.
Nope, I'm not. And guess what? I just got paid.
Nice.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
It's nice.
Okay, I've been waiting for this. Look at it, 30 days. 30 days.
It took you 30 days to get paid.
I didn't want to say that out loud, but in all hindsight, yes. Remember I said the last time that I got paid, I was like, okay, well I'm on the verge of scaling this account,
Right.
so I cannot trade. So remember there was a week where like I traded and I was like, okay, I'm close to scaling this account. I cannot trade anymore. I have to wait 14 days. I waited that 14 days and I didn't trade or I paper traded with you guys. So that 14 days when that came, that's when I told you guys, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and do a withdrawal and whatnot. So I did my request. I traded. I made like $1,200 and I scaled the account. They denied me and said, due to the fact that you scaled your account, we cannot accept your withdrawal, even though that the withdrawal button was there. I have to wait another 14 days to have a withdrawal. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, 28 days, and then dealing with the crap. So yes, that's 30 days, 30, 32 days, 32. Yeah. So
That's insane.
yeah, it's insane. So that's why I'm telling you this information so that way you guys, when you guys get funded, you guys don't have to go through it. When you guys request a payout, do not do not trade any further. Do not have any open positions. Do not trade until they send you an email back saying that they approved of that you've been approved of your withdrawal request. Because if you have an open trade, they can simply deny it to say, hey, you have to finish your trade. Um, you have to have all closed a closed trade in order to proceed. Don't trade. If you're about to scale your account and you request a withdrawal, do not scale that account until you receive an approval from them saying that you've been approved for payout. Don't do it. So learn from my mistakes, and so that way the process is much smoother for you guys.
Is there like a button that you have to press to scale your account, or does it just happen automatically?
Yeah, so it happens automatically. So when you hit your target, you're in your hub, that account goes from active to disabled. Now, anytime that you're disabled and it's scaled, it'll turn yellow, and yellow just means that the account is scaled. And then you'll see your brand new account in your hub, and it'll say waiting for risk management for them to look at your trades and then to approve your new account.
Gotcha.
Yup. So Yep. So before you scale, get that withdrawal and don't make no more trades until you get that approval. Once you do, then go ahead and scale your account. Make another trade and scale your account up. So that's exactly what I did here. I got my approval. Now I'm taking my trade um, on CMCT. So
At least the 8% rule doesn't apply in pre-market.
that's true. That's true. So I don't have to worry about that.
YHC didn't do what I wanted it to do.
doing with YHC?
It didn't do what I wanted it to do, so I got out. Now I'm just watching.
Gotcha. Okay.
It's coming back up. We'll see.
Yeah.
It's the most obvious stock right now in small cap land.
Mm-hmm. There it goes. Nice little breakout there. Okay. I'm about to go ahead and hit mine.
You still in CMCT?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to get to this 8 right quick.
Let's see. I'll back up.
So the data did not give any response to Q, so they had some jobless claim data, so no movement from there.
You said the Qs are down? Is that what you just said?
No, nothing happened.
Oh, nothing happened. Oh, okay.
Nothing, yeah. Would be nice to have some movement.
Yeah, it's dead.
Be right
I
back,
was
chat.
watching I was watching some of the Wine Wednesday with the Clover trading, and they were talking about like the markets and stuff, and at this um, trying to get a grasp on because Triad man, he's a really good trader, and that man is like disciplined. I don't. I would like to pick his brain on how he stays consistently with his discipline. But
Yeah,
he was just trying to talk, not trying, but he was talking about how the tariffs are right now. They're horrible for the market, and they're horrible for just in general, and it's having a toll on the trading side of the market. There are some companies that are making money. There's some that are not, but it's just having a toll, and that's the reason why like the speed of the market, depending on like what you're looking at, is so slow overall. And uh, but he's just like you trade penny stocks, low float stocks, and stuff like that. You're always going to have an edge somewhere. Just right now is just slow. So
yeah.
You were saying that it usually gets slow in August, right?
yeah, it normally does. So I haven't seen a hot August uh, in a long time actually. So
YHC could be a thing to take now. 182 if that breaks. So I haven't looked. If there is no, think that there's no upside on that. No, only to $2 or something. So that's a skip too.
yeah,
Did the CMPT die? No. Oh, I would take this now, the CMCT short, if 850 breaks. So,
on this pullback right here. I was
yeah,
thinking about adding more into it just to see because I'm gonna break even if it pops back up above this consolidation right here. I'm watching it.
I would have my stop about 890 or 885. Just to wait, it has to break the 850 before. Yeah, I think I take that.
Oh, you said 850. You wanted to break 850.
Yeah,
Yeah, you know what? I might just go ahead and try that with you because that's sounds legit considering that where it kind of paused that here is underneath all of this previous support. But I'm breaking even um,
yeah.
if it goes through it.
I won't hold this for a long time. If it bounces back to 885, so I will be out from that. Only risking 30 cents.
Yeah. No, I have my averages up here at 942, so I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Just to put the toe in the water.
Oh yeah, for sure. So no, I'll add to this at 850 and see what it does. Um, oh jeez, look at this little small gap down.
Yeah, it could, on the 5 minutes, it would be a break of structure.
Yeah, but there's
There are
a
a lot of,
gap on the level two. There's a gap between 850 to 834. So
yeah.
you miss it, you miss it.
Yeah, and on the trade revolution, it's 827.
Jeez,
So
even worse.
you have 2 or 3 shares on that. So I don't want to front run this either.
Don't want to push this.
I will take it if 851 comes to the price. So
Yeah.
yeah, the spread is 20 cents too. So
Yeah, it is.
almost my stop. So that would take 1,000 shares. So that would be could be 200 loss in a second.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna be patient. Let's see what happens. I don't know. For some reason, I feel like it's gonna spike, but like I said, I'm breaking even on. We're getting closer to open here, so take it right there. 950.
Back on the 853. Okay, here we go. Yes, good.
Yeah, there it goes. There's the breakdown right there.
Now we should break this 835.
Mm-hmm. goes. 830 just broke.
Yeah.
Give it a second
So the
here. Hopefully, I'm gonna bring. Let me see. See how much that'll be.
and this
Four.
seller stepping up at 839, so I think they will push this down.
That's five. I'm waiting for it to go a little bit more so I can.
Come on, done.
And look at this daily right here. Look at this daily. If it drops to
In
seven,
852.
it might rise back up to eight. Hmm. 760 is right here. It might.
Hope this is not a double bottom.
No, doesn't look like it.
Yeah, it should be really lined up.
I give it a second. There's nothing. There's nothing there that's holding this stock right there. So I'm giving it a second.
Yeah, on the 15 minutes you could look for $7.
Right back, chat.
If you're looking at the
Yeah,
pre-market.
no. You know what? I was looking for that to I was looking on the daily chart and see if it'll go to seven. Um and I think it can if you was to hold this out because it did triple top at 10. So and let me see here. There is no other bounces besides this 945 one. Yeah, there is no other bounces like this right now. So yeah, might hold this. Might let's see what happens when we get to 8 first. I mean, we ain't there yet.
Yeah, I would like it to break the 827. Why is this playing with me? He knows that I have the mic open. Come on, CMCT, die. So the LiDAR thing was not valid for you then? I was.
Nope, that wasn't a
Oh,
valid trade.
oh. It's quite a lot of restriction that you can't do.
Yeah, that one is dumb because I'm just like, dude, it's not it wasn't a halt or anything. It's not like I'm trading a halt.
Yeah.
So
Oh yes, come on, die. One
boom,
break
there it
one.
goes.
Break this. Take this 827 away now.
Yeah. The only reason why I said 8 is just because we're getting down to this pre-market um consolidation,
Yeah.
and definitely don't want to hold that for some reason, but let's see.
But the pre-market lows at 7 looks nice also because there have been something. Oh, now we broke the.
Yeah. Now it's working.
Yeah.
So I just moved my TP down to 780. Let's see how it goes. I don't have any order blocks. I don't have any order blocks on the level 2, so
Yeah. We get out if it goes to break even. So
I have one for 500.
I took only 200 shares. So just to get in the game. It's nice if I can get +1 hour before the before the bell, so that leaves some room to play after the bell. So looking early at the LPSN to break 108 or 7. You could have room 10-cent room down, but I don't know. That's consolidated for a long time in there, so that's not void.
Like that.
No, level 2 looks scary because on the trader pool there's $9 even. 53, 59, 78, 88, 98, and $9. Oh, now they come. I think this is a good retest if tempting to add in display.
said 195. Now let's check this right quick. Let's check the daily on this. So this would could be considered as a bounce. Um, nice little low here at 113, trying to hold up. We're at 50%. Oh, it needs to keep going. I'll short this. But if it breaks this 170, it's over with.
White gives volume is increasing.
Come on, Fig. You better bounce. You better keep going on this bounce. I need you to get back to like 100, 100, 110.
So tempting to add on the CMCT, but
Yeah, it is.
I don't like how it pops 20 cents in it.
If it goes back up, if it goes back up to this like 866 to 884 area, I'm gonna add in before open, and then I'm gonna break even. If it goes any further than that, if it goes back up to $9, I'm gonna break even.
Yeah.
If not, then I'm just gonna hold it. Because yeah, this is definitely up 100% from this previous 5-day low. It's 531, so that fits my criteria of a nice bounce.
See if YC can hold this $2 level.
Oh, it didn't feel me.
Oh, you try to add into it?
Yeah.
Oh.
833
Yeah.
top limit, limit order on that.
Well, this might be where you get your little double bottom. Um, it's
Yeah,
it's about to be at the top of the hour before market open, so I'm
yeah.
expecting a bounce right here. If it flushes, it flushes.
I
But
think this
hey,
I think this will hit 8 and then go up.
yeah, 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 I'm expecting a bounce to be right here.
Yeah, I think if I add off. So my names today is Apple, AMD, VST, and Airbnb.
Apple is
That's
up.
my
Okay.
only ones for today. I will put half of off at 806 if it goes there. It's 21 cents spread against. Have you already been on the chess channel?
You know what? No, I have not. Uh, just because of everything was going on and I was stressed out. But I do plan on getting on there um to see what's that about because I mean they're up at as soon as pre-market opens, so that's
Yeah.
early for me. But no, I do one of these days that if I'm holding something overnight, I'm just gonna get up to see what it's all about.
Yeah.
Taking entry at 210 on YHC. Good morning, Jeffrey. How are we? Doing good?
Yesterday's Rivian that I took profits too soon had a target at 1159. So it went down to 1157 and then bounced up.
Oh,
Yeah, but that's good sign that you can spot these where it could bounce and see
yeah,
those.
the anticipation on the bounce, yeah.
Yeah, give you more confident if you find this out that hey, that did exactly what I was thinking of. So
Yeah. Get one more game in while I'm
I think
waiting.
there is few IPOs today. IPO.
Got a couple IPOs.
Yeah, Fly, Yeah,
Okay.
it came up on the Trader TV.
Okay. Nice.
Usually don't look at the chat because there's so much FOMO in the that
Yeah.
channel. So
No, that's a fact. Yeah, I barely even go in the chat now that I be with you guys here.
yeah,
Um, I just looked on the chat yesterday, and man, I feel for people, but at the same time, like it's too much, you know. So
yeah, it's good. Over here is good because I know if someone calls a trade, so no, I know that's some kind of valid, and then after that I look if that fits my criteria, and then I take it.
right.
So, but if you have a chat that goes about 100 names, I don't have time to scroll all them outside. They can't all be good.
What you don't want to check 50 names to see which one might be a prospect?
Yeah, I usually have 10 or can have 12 names. So if I put 50 names more, so but it's on the large cap the 10 names, so maybe 2 or 3 do something on those. So
Right.
I'm not trading everyone. I have them on my one screen on the 5 minutes, so looking from there. So. Airbnb looks weak.
Good morning.
Hey, good
Morning.
morning.
Good morning. How are we all
Uh,
doing?
Good morning.
good, good if you wish CMCT to die.
Yeah.
Right in the morning.
Hey, I'm not
Just
friends.
pull up.
I'm not friends with CMCT. So yes, I hope you've got 10,000 shares in it and it goes to zero.
Oh, you took a loss on that too? What
I
happened?
I took a long on it earlier. Let me have a look.
Okay.
I went wrong way with shorting it.
I went the wrong way before I got it completely wrong. I well, it was more wrong than it should have been because I'm so used to to clicking buy to get out that I doubled my size instead.
Oh no.
Need to I need to stop doing that for goodness sake. But anyway, yeah. So I did that. But that aside, I got in at 9:29. Um, Hang on, let me look at the chart here. Why did I do that? What time was it? Because it was a bit earlier. Um, Round about 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Yeah, so I was looking for it to bounce off this liquidity gap here on the 3 minute chart at 8 a.m. And well, it didn't. So there you go. That's the that's the long and short version of why that didn't work. There
Wait a
was
minute. Wait. Let me get to the. I'll put my controller down right quick. I want to see. Okay. So you said your entry was what time?
it was let me just check. It was 8:01.
8:01.
Yeah, and I got
Um.
well. There was a
What,
liquidity gap at so prior to this. So so I'm looking on the 3 minute chart here. So at that time when I was
are you saying?
looking,
Are you saying your time 8:01? Because I.
no, market time, market time.
Oh, market time. Okay.
Yeah, so market time at about 7:45 market time. There was a liquidity gap on the 3 minute chart between the 7:40
Oh,
candle
I see what you're talking about.
and the 7:42 candle. So I was looking, it was the one in play at the time. So I was looking for it to bounce off that and go up, and it didn't. So when I tried to get out, because I changed my mind on my stop when I saw it was not going to do that. And when I tried to just close it manually, I hit I hit buy the ask instead of sell the bid. So I doubled my size,
Oh,
and I realised, oh shit, I'm still in this trade. Went a bit lower against me, but it's okay. It wasn't enormously worse than it should have been.
gotcha. Okay.
So yeah, so Eddie, Pari, Parker, you need to get revenge on this stock for me today.
I'm not friends with it either.
Oh, okay. Well, we there you go. So that's two of us against it.
Sorry, I can't be against it. I'm in it, so
Oh,
yeah. So I'll get some revenge for you, I guess.
are you shorting?
I am, I am. I'm shorting it, and I'm anticipating on this bounce, which it looks like it's about to happen now, and I'm gonna add into this. If we can get like a 5 minute consolidation right here at this 870 area before open, I'm gonna add into it, and then I'm going to cross my fingers and hope that it dies.
Oh,
You're
50
not
cent
right,
spread on
eh?
that now.
Well, they say hope isn't a strategy, but it is.
Right, right. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I'm gonna see what it does off this bounce here. If I can get this, 5 minute consolidation right before open, I'm gonna add into it and then look for a flush. If not, then I'm gonna break even on wherever my average is at, and that's it. That's on the trade. So, and
Well,
Pare, I did move my TP down to 750. Um, and I might just milk this if this flush happens.
I see a liquidity gap at 869 dollars.
I'm watching
I'm
YHC. Ooh,
I'm soon
jeez.
getting out from this.
So
YHC was doing so good.
yeah, and that's why CMCT is running now. So yeah, and it
Dang,
was
that was doing good. I was wishing that it got to like the 250s
well, it was
before market open.
it was YHC that caused my trade to fail earlier when that started running. CMCT went down.
Hmm,
So yeah, I'm watching these two with interest. I'd like to see YHC go. I don't know. I'd like to see it run up at the open. But yeah, I'm looking for shorts today, not longs.
gotcha. Yeah,
Oh,
no, I'm just,
from earlier. I was
yeah, I'm just
long and doubled my long.
see what it does. If it goes past this 906, I'm breaking even. I'm breaking even on this, so it is what it is.
What happened for you on it, Eddie?
I was in it long, and then it took me out.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we're not friends with it. Pare, what are you
No,
doing? No?
I'm red on it now.
Oh, no, okay, yeah. So, yeah, you got to be careful on these small caps with looking at what else is moving. So, CMCT is moving now. We've got IMG, which has been interesting in the pre-market, but it's only 49 cents, so it's not really any good for us. Um, Taquito had a lovely trade in that. In fact, I think he might still be in it, left a runner on it. AVAH, I have put it on my mini charts, but I'm not going to trade it because of the float. Um, well, it's only 42 million, but just want to try and stick to my rules that it has to be under 30.
Yeah, IMG 50-cent stock look like it's moving quite well on the long side here.
Yeah, yeah, it really is. Taquito's in it long from, no, I can't remember
But
the figure.
I don't think the appreciation is there. Um,
Meaning if you're seeing the markets.
for this being on the long side here.
What, IMG?
Yeah, just because I mean, it's a penny stock, so um,
Yeah, well, he's
it's not like it's not like it's moving the the small caps today. So
no, no. So I sort of put them in their own class, so I'm not really counting that when I'm looking at YHC and CMCT.
yeah,
But, it's up 166%, so, or it was last time I looked.
yeah, yeah, it's not like it's gravitating other traders. I think it's just up and maybe intraday. I mean, I could be wrong. Intraday, it might fly, boom, and it might just kill these other stocks here. But right now, I don't see that.
No, no. Well, it's not for us here anyway, is it? Because you'd need to get like 20% of it to get your 10 cents. So
Yeah,
difficult. But yeah, Taquito's trading it in a personal account, so he trades pennies as well.
I need this to consolidate. Give me about 5 minutes consolidation right here in this area. Oh, Val, just letting you know everything worked out.
Oh, did it? You've had a reply that it's going ahead.
Yeah, it's nope. I've already been paid.
Oh, wow!
Yeah,
Woohoo!
yeah. Now you see how fast that happened. That's how I know. That's how I know for a fact that they do have the ability to get it done in a matter of time. But I
Yeah,
feel like, once again, as I always say, like I know that they have a lot on their plate, and I don't like to be pushy. But I felt like if I wasn't pushy today, if this would have dragged out until Sunday or Monday. You know,
and I agree with you, Parker. And I've always long held the belief that those who speak the loudest are the ones that get heard. It's not always to your advantage. I don't mean just here with TTP. I mean generally to just
right?
accept, to just accept poor service, because if you do, you just get trampled on.
Yeah, and I don't like to be rude, like especially when um you're dealing with customer service, you're dealing with other people, you're dealing with time. I don't like to be rude when it comes to that. However, just like you said, if you don't speak up, you're gonna get trampled over. If you don't say something and be louder, you're gonna get trampled over. And I felt like this situation was just a little bit too long. So I messaged and I was just like, hey, I've waited. This is too long. Um, get him back. Get him back. Whatever he's doing, get him back. Like that's it. But hey, finally the wait is over. I got my payout.
Oh, I'm so
Good.
pleased. I'm so pleased that you've got that, Parker. That's made my day, because I've been very frustrated on your behalf with regards to that. And I know what you mean, but yeah, if you've got a load of people, some of them are not complaining and some of them are. But if you think about it, which ones are you going to deal with first? You're going to
Right.
deal with the ones that are making your life difficult. Get on with it, fix it, and then that person will go away.
Yeah.
You
And
know?
that's that. Yeah, and that's that. And I emailed him. I was like, hey, thank you very much for your time. Hey, it's been a long road, but I'm letting you know I'm out your hair. So you won't hear from me, until next time. You know, I don't sit here and complain. I'm not the one that, you know, if something itty bitty happens, I'm in your inbox. I'm not like that. This is something that was very important. I need to get this out the way. Let me do my job as a trader. You know, um, yeah, and that's that. Let me let me add to this right quick. I'm sitting here talking.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fantastic, Parker. Well done. I'm glad you followed up on it. I believe that firmly that you, sometimes you just have to speak up.
PALI
You know,
popping up on the scanner.
just requesting
It's got news
what is required.
Yep.
about a phase 1B cohort.
Okay. I got my consolidation added into this. I don't know where that goes to.
And it's going, and I just can't get a fill.
Oh, that's not bad. Okay, I'll take this.
Oh, there we go. All right, let's see it spike.
No, I'll keep that. That's five. Yeah, I'll keep that right
Ooh.
there then. Hopefully that doesn't go against me. Sorry, yeah, no, I just had to. I was adding into this position, CMCT. So I got my consolidation right there. So we'll see what happens at open. But yeah, no, yeah, and yeah. So the situation is done. I'm out there here. You don't have to hear from me until next time. And yeah, that's it. You know, so I'm good. It's all good. But just that process alone, like I feel like if you would sit there and get something done like right then and there, especially talking to someone I see, um there are some traders that, you know, don't answer emails right away. You know, you let an hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, then yeah, you know, you don't expect to have a response back, because you got 3,000 other traders that are working. But if I'm responding back to you within 15 minutes and you see that, come on, like something should be done right then and there.
Yeah,
So that,
abs-
and that's my opinion on that.
I
But
totally agree. I totally agree with you. You know, if you reply right away, you kind of know that they're still at their station, don't you? The chances that they pressed the send button and then walked away is not very high, is it? You know.
right,
Yeah,
yeah, exactly.
yeah. Oh, just infuriating. I am so pleased that that's all worked out.
Yeah, yeah. So and yeah, this is it's good. It's a feel good moment. So
Oh yeah, I'm sure it is. So,
I'm
drinks and
pop back
drinks
up.
are on Parker today, everyone.
man, let's go. Let's go.
I'll
Yep.
take a beer.
Okay. You matter of fact, you
Yeah,
get two, Eddie. You get two.
and
So
I'll
Oh,
have
thank you.
I'll have a prosciutto.
Babysitting today. Are we Parker trading real money now?
yeah. Yep. So real money, no paper trading today,
Yep.
and let's get back to it. That's all I need. Get back to it.
Hey, Pare, you know that message I put in recaps. What's that dotted line on your chart? Yeah, to Joe. I was in Taquito Keito's Discord earlier, and when I came over here, I said, "Okay, Keito, I'm going to get going now. I need my daily dose of VWAP discussion."
Oh, you know what, Val? I just got your. Let me see what
Yeah,
let
it's
me see what
another.
you're talking about. Okay, our withdrawal request being delayed. I got a confirmation email last Friday and yet to receive any correspondence.
Yeah, keep reading.
Uh,
He had
also,
basically he had the same problem as you.
also haven't heard anything about my account for over a week. I'm starting to become frustrated. Oh, dang, that's my next question. I hit PT behind on everything. Wow. Wow. They just got yeah, yeah, blew my account LOL twice the amount to the max drawdown. What happened was my trade automatically closed 10 minutes before my close, which is normal, but top of that,
Yeah, so
there's
that trader Parker Shinobi, he did the same thing as you. He
yep.
requested a payout and then he scaled and he got the email to say, in line with our terms and conditions, you have to wait 14 days.
Jeez. Yeah, and see, so he said been with you guys for years and never taken this long for anything. Everything okay with TTP? Yep, same. I mean, he's probably been here longer than me, so I had the same thing. It's never taking that long. So what's going on? And then he got the same email. Great news, we received your payout and it's being processed. Why does that look like that though? He must got one of the newer accounts because it should have just showed his not 12561. All right, whatever. Anyways,
Yeah, they
but
look a bit different. Yeah.
but I mean that's the email that you get when it says your payouts in progress, and then they sent him an email back stating that he got denied. Yeah, same happened to me. So now he has to wait another 14 days. So you see what I'm talking about? So that's literally 30 days or 28. Let me correct. 28 days exact to get a payout because he scaled his account, but he did the right thing to do a withdrawal before scaling.
Yeah.
The most stupidest thing on the planet.
Yeah. So I've put another question in that have we confirmed whether this is indeed a new rule? Um, so watch watch this space on an answer to that. But yeah, don't hold your breath.
My So Donut said my new scaled account started with wrong amount and sent request to fix it 722 still didn't get fixed yet 2 weeks already the risk management team behind our request. Is it just mine? Nope. Every time I try to follow up I receive that they escalated but nothing is being done. Customer service has been lagging behind these days so quickly. He gave you the wrong account. That confirmation is from mine. Why are they putting account numbers in the chat? Are you guys supposed to are we supposed to do that?
No, no, no. But
Uh, okay.
yeah, no,
Because
not really. But
that's that's a violation because that's in the rule thing that you're not supposed to be like putting out accounts on the it's supposed to be either DM'd like privately, but it's not supposed to be out on but hey, you know what? Ain't got nothing to do with me.
yeah,
I'm just gonna
just
keep it as is. That's ain't got
I
nothing to
mean,
do with me.
probably just
Thanks.
people wanting to sort of move things on a bit because we're not really meant to open a first DM with someone to prevent scammers.
Of
So
course, of course.
yes, so the trader has to DM us,
Yeah.
um, and maybe sometimes they do and we haven't seen it. So then they're like, hey, here's my account number, here's my
Right.
email address, here's my home address, here's what I had for breakfast. Can I have
Yeah,
my money?
no, exactly. And no, I get that. I'm just saying in general, like everyone can see that. So yeah,
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
not supposed to do that. But hey, once again, ain't got nothing to do with me. I didn't see nothing.
no.
um, I want all traders to be successful. So yeah. Any word on issue with payout? Having a meeting later today. Actually, second part of the previous one. For those I promised to ask them. Ask them hasn't. Dude, I hate to laugh, but he's dealing with same dude Benjamin. Finally got a response, and apparently they are finally sending through Gmail to. That's not even a word, but okay. Yahoo issue's been mentioning over a year. Made the original payout request Friday per screenshot. Then I proceeded to hit the PT following Monday. Shouldn't the payout request be honored? Benjamin is saying he removed a trade, which is fine, but he also set back my dashboard as if I hadn't already cleared, met all requirements for a payout. Screenshot below for reference. Ooh. Okay, upon reviewing for scaling ability to identify violation to our program. Dang, dang. So so he's got so his issue is that he's got two emails and they've been responding to the Gmail rather than the Yahoo.
been been trying to get this fixed forever. No, it's the other
Oh,
way.
wait a minute.
Yeah, it's the other way round that they I don't know. I think they haven't updated when he's let them know that he, for whatever reason, doesn't receive their emails at Yahoo. Can they send them to Gmail? Whatever it was. But basically, the upshot was that in the end, his payout was denied because he scaled.
Gotcha. Let
Yeah,
me. We about to open here, so let me. I'm gonna read that afterwards. Let me
yeah,
focus on this right quick.
yeah. Focus on your trades. Yeah, here we go. Good luck, everyone.
Here we go.
Luck.
Good luck. Let's see. 960. Let's see what this first candle does.
I'm on PALI. Let's go. Juice farming again.
Let's see. VWAP is right there. I wonder. We're in this consolidation too. There we go. I need you to end, and then I'm gonna break. I'm gonna break even on this. You decide to come back. gonna break even on this. $8. If it doesn't go, dang, look like that flush to 8 is not happening. It's slowing down right here. Come on. Eating 825. Oh, there it goes. At 11.
Spike up. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Juice, baby, juice. Keep pushing.
They're really holding up this 8 area. I don't understand why. This is the only area that held in pre-market, after market, and it went down. So it's not even strength.
Come on, Pally, let's jump back up.
Turn the wick. Ain't nothing down there.
Finally got a good trade on Pally. PALI.
Okay. Let's see. P A. Oh wow. Up 64. Okay. Where was your entry? Oh, did you entry at the open?
Before the open.
Before
It,
the open. Nice. Okay.
yeah, it was $1.24 that I got in at, and I got out at $1.72.
Oh, nice. Okay. Very nice. Now it's just dumping.
Yeah.
190 back down to 150. Woo! Crazy.
Right back.
I'm trying to see this go a little bit more. I know we're at 20% on this. We're low, but
I can't find anything to trade.
yeah, another slow day.
Yeah, yeah, missed the move on CMCT because I was doing something else. So,
Probably gonna look for just 1 hour if we can get it.
Corby long. Looks like
YH,
it.
YHC is dumping. That That was a dump.
It triggers. It hasn't triggered yet.
Yeah.
PALI. What a dump. Now
Yep.
look at it. Look at it. Wow.
I know. I was pulling that up to catch the top, but I missed it. So
Is the market
Glad out when I
dead?
got it.
Okay. Now it's working.
the IMG's up at 59 cents now.
CMCT is now going. Let's go. Exactly what I needed to see.
So has there been a tweet looking at markets? Give all up just in one candle. And got out from Corby break even.
It's the bottom. 779. You're gonna give me more. Oh my, jeez, these wicks. How much is that? Oh my gosh.
CREG.
That's horrible. Just took me out on this wig.
Way, really?
Yeah. Now,
That's
now.
I know it did it freeze
I
up.
mean, it's a gain, but that's just stupid. Cause
There we go.
Yeah. Oh well, that's good. At least it's still green.
yeah, but that's horrible because the level 2 wasn't even there. It just wicked. So the level 2 was sitting at 807.
Yeah, and I see it on Weeble as well, which all the way up to no.
Yeah, at 836, but the level 2 was never there at 836. So it wigged
Yeah.
just to take me out at the top of the wick. So dumb. It is what it is, though. It's all right. I'll take it.
Yeah, if PALI can come back up.
That's just dumb. All right. Let me check my scanner. this one off. Fig is the only one I'm gonna keep. Back down to 83 though. Okay, Fig. Okay. Yep. So I guess that was a somewhat of a okay exit to get out of. This is now a bounce on the 3 minute chart here. So 779 might just be the bottom for today, considering that we're at 23% on the intraday. So yeah, good good move. This is a good bounce. Bounce short. I'll take it. And that's it. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I know it's early. Super early. Super early. But it is a dead market.
Yep.
Oh, let me finish reading this. We found that we have been having delivery issues with your email, so we're now responding to your ticket directly Gmail in the past week. Oh, so they've been having email issues with him. Therefore, okay, so it says upon reviewing, the request for payout has been found reaching target scaled. Therefore, the payout, jeez, his payout was declined. And then upon reviewing the account scaling eligibility, we identified violated our program minimum, um, violated our program minimum volume requirements. Okay. And then as a result, trade has been invalid. Oh, they sent him. Okay. We have gone ahead and reactivated your account so that you can continue working towards your profit target. Okay. So he was declined. He was declined of his payout, but that was due to his violation of having the volume requirements. They activated. So
No,
man, he had multiple issues. So the email wasn't he it was a different email that they was responding to and didn't know. Was that his issue?
no, the payout was denied because he scaled. So it was the same issue that you had. There was a
Okay.
trade that was invalidated that didn't fit the volume requirements. The email thing is a separate issue that he's been mentioning for a very long time, that they need to email him at a different email address.
Gotcha. Okay. But they got back with him to let him know that due to the fact that he scaled, it was declined. But then also when they looked at his trades, he had one here that violated the volume requirement. So they reactivated. Geez, yeah, that he's going through a whole set of issues. Email scaling, volume, and
Guessing it
not
was
getting paid.
a swing trade for it, although maybe he took a day trade that hadn't reached the requirement. But that would be unlike, it's Shinobi, isn't it? It would be unlike him. He's can't imagine him doing that on the day trade side of things. some traders, excuse me, um, it's not always been clear whether the volume requirement is the volume that we have here, with the NASDAQ feed, or what you see sort of on TradingView with everything. So I suppose it is maybe fallen foul of that by mistake. But yeah, that's really nothing to do with is that trade was denied, and he seems like he's got no problem with that. But the payout in itself was denied because he scaled same day.
Well, no. Look at his next screenshot, dude. Yeah, he's getting. I don't want to say the word, but he's getting bopped. His next
Yeah,
email is his account. So it says your withdrawal balance available is 180 negative, and uh the minimum balance they're allowed to withdraw is 300. But his max loss on the account is $1. His max.
yeah, it's
his
uh,
his max.
Hey, good morning, Borax.
Of $4,622.21. This man, his daily P&L was zero. Dude. Oh, gee. I I hate to laugh because this has to be the most horrible issue to go through.
Yeah,
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 that's worse than mine. I'm sorry. That's worse than mine. There's no way that the account messes up like that. You have a max loss at $1.
yeah. Now you see the problem with the new accounts is that
Wow.
the problem with the new accounts is you're meant to get your daily loss, your max loss back every time you scale. That doesn't,
Wow.
yeah, that doesn't apply to you, Parker. But in the new accounts, the max and flex, the ones that are named max and flex, you get that max loss back until you've made three times as an extra cushion for the traders. But it's just not working as it should, as you can see.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me read this. It said, thank you for your follow up and providing a screenshot as we understand your concern. However, because the account reached a scaling profit target before the payout was approved, right? It was automatically scaled. And in accordance with our policy, the 14-day hold period resets from the date scaling. For future payout requests made close to the scaling threshold, we strongly recommend pause trading after submitting a request. This will help avoid reaching the target before processing is complete to ensure your payout is approved. And that's the same message he sent to me.
Yeah, so I've just
So
asked about that. Apparently, there's been a bit of an announcement on the Discord, or, well, I'm not sure really an announcement, but that's what we're advising traders. I've asked if we can send an email, a mass email, because like Shinobi, for example, he doesn't come to the Discord. He only comes here when he needs some help with something. Not
yeah,
every trader comes to the Discord.
right.
So
All right,
those that
chat.
don't come to see that
Super
announcement,
slow
they
again.
don't know that you have to
I'm positive on the day by like
until you have
$4,
approved and received the mail.
$5. So
So
I'm gonna call it here,
let's
and
wait a bit on that.
I'm gonna get some rest and get some work done, and then we'll be back tomorrow morning,
We apologize
bright
for
and
the
early.
delay. Now Colton's going through something else.
Appreciate you hanging out. Appreciate the sub.
We have just heard back from the development department.
We
Like
will
I
catch
said,
y'all later.